episode. Today I will talk about topic nature. Whiskers. Look at the picture. What can you see? I can see bush, river, tree, waterfall, earth, leaf, lake, grass, mud, and jungle. Whiskers. What is? Yes, it's bush. B-U-S-H. Bush. Whiskers. What is the bush? Yes, the bush is a plant. Whiskers. The bush has many branches growing from the ground. Whiskers. What shape is the bush? Yes, of course. The bush shape is round. Whiskers. What do children use the bush for? Yes, children use the bush to play hide and seek. Children use the bush to hide. And what is whisker? Yes, it's a river, or river. Whiskers. What is the river? Yes, the river is a natural flow, and it's connected to the sea. Whiskers. Some people like to row the boat on the river, and some people like to swim in the river. Whiskers. Is there a river near your house? There is no river near my house, but there is a river near my grandma's house. And what is whisker? Yes, it's a tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Whiskers. Is there a tree in your house? There's no tree. There is two trees in my house. One tree on the stair, and one tree in the yard. It's next to the gate. Whiskers. Is the tree big or small? Yes, the tree is big, but it's not very big. And what is whiskers? Whiskers. What animals live in the tree? Yes, of course. A bird lives in the tree, and the birds live in the tree too. They make a nest to live. And what is whisker? Yes, it's a waterfall. Waterfall. W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L. Waterfall. Whiskers. What is the waterfall? Yes, the waterfall is water. It comes from a river or a stream. Whiskers. The waterfall drop from a higher point to a lower point. Whiskers. The waterfall is very beautiful. Some people like to take photos with waterfall. And what is whisker? Yes, it's the earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Whiskers. Earth is our planet. We live in the earth. Whiskers. the leaf shape is flat. Whiskers, where does the leaf come from? Yes, a leaf comes from a tree. Whiskers, what animals like to eat leaf? Yes, a wolf like to eat leaf. A wolf like to eat leaf. A cow eats leaf. A dog eats leaf. And many other, and the cow eats leaf, and many other animals eat leaf too. And what is whisker? Yes, it's a lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Whiskers, whiskers, whiskers. What is the lake made by? Yes, of course, the lake is made by people. Whiskers, do you know Gươm Lake in Hanoi? Yes, of course, I know Gươm Lake in Hanoi. But the lake is not connected to the sea. And what is whisker? Yes, it's the grass. G-R-A-S, grass. Whiskers, what color is the grass? Yes, the grass is green. Whiskers, the grass growing closely together in the ground. Whiskers, what animals like to eat grass? Yes, a cow likes to eat grass. A goat likes to eat grass. A giraffe likes to eat grass. A grasshopper likes to eat grass. And many other animals like to eat grass too. And what is whisker? Yes, it's a mud. M-U-D, mud. Whiskers, what does children use mud for? Yes, children use mud to make animal toys and people toys. It's like mud, toys, animals, and people. And what is whisker? Yes, it's a triangle. 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 Whiskers. There are many trees and many plants in the triangle. Whiskers is the tree and the plant growing very closely together. That's all. That is all about nature. Thank you for listening. See you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.